Hello, welcome to this video. So today I want to address this problem with my phone. So it says here battery replacement recommend. That's because Google decided to reduce the battery capacity on these phones because I don't know, it detects some problems with the batteries. So I bought from iFixit the whole kit to replace the battery. Also the battery, I have a new one here, and I have the guide in front of me and hope I can actually replace the battery. But let's see. Yeah, so I removed the SIM card tray and with the screen protector. So I just need to put this in the microwave and just use it to heat up the screen so I can remove it. So be right back. Okay, so I heated this thing up. Seems like a good job. So I'm just gonna leave it like this for 1 minute. And wait. Okay, 1 minute has passed. I'm gonna need this, I guess. And just pry it open. Let's see. I think the most difficult part will be just to get the screen off in this thing. But we'll see. Yes, I have some lift off from the screen. I just need to... I don't want to get a pick here, because here is where the ribbon cable for the screen is. So I'm just gonna wiggle it a bit. And hopefully it will get loose. And it's open. Okay, let me just see what I need to do next. So open the lamp just to see better. And I need to lift this up and very carefully remove this black part. And let's see. Okay, and just leave it here. I may reuse it. So I have 2 screws here. Now I need this part to separate this connector. Oh, that was easy. Okay, I'll just put this somewhere safe over here and continue. Okay, so I remove the screws. Now I need to remove the back cover. So on the SIM card, I need to insert the guitar tip. Let's see. Quite difficult. Okay. Oh, insert the bit. Now along the... Okay, this has done it. I need to be careful now for the ribbon cables. Let me just look at the instructions. Or stuff like this. Yeah, this is the phone. Well, this is the battery. And let's see what are the next steps. Okay, so I need to remove this part, this metal shield. I need to somehow unclip this here and over here. Let me just see. So I need to somehow lift this part which is clipped in and do not hurt this cable. Okay. And this will do it. No. Okay. I hope the ribbon cable is alright. Man, this was annoying. Okay, so now move this. This was up. And this. And I think the cables are okay. I hope. They seem fine. Okay, so now I need to remove this battery. So remove the ribbon cable. Okay, bring the phone over. And with a pair of tweezers, we need this thing. It's a battery pull tab. Okay, I don't know why, but these things are really annoying to get out. So now I have the pull tabs. Let's see if I can do this. So just lift this up and pull. Okay, they do require some force. Oops. Let's just use my hands, not the tweezers. Of course. Sorry, I need to pull some isopropyl alcohol. Okay. Looks like we're doing this the hard way. Okay. That was easier than I expected. I still have the battery adhesive. So yeah, this is the battery with the problems. Well, that Google says it has problems. So I need to remove all the glue. And this is fun. Yep, so now I need to do the reverse parts. So I'm imagining these are the adhesive for the battery. And this is the battery, which I need to take out. Okay, So this one goes here. I guess I just need to pull it and carefully place it. Here. Something like this. Maybe put it like this. Just little by little. Yeah, this would be better. So okay. One and the other one. And then put the new battery the right way. Yep. And we have a new battery. I hope. Yeah, I don't want to apply too much pressure. They're not sure how to line it. Ah, like this. So you kind of feel it when it's in position. Okay. New battery installed. Okay. Now I need to do the next part, which is these two little ribbon cables. It will be a bit awkward. They don't have too much reach. Okay. Yep, now for this part. And I need to remember how it went. Something like this. Yeah. Okay, so now I can reattach the back cover. Very careful about this ribbon cables. That's like this. Yeah, sounds okay. Yep. Okay, now it's inserted all the way, I think. So yeah, I need to remove the old glue first. And this will be messy. Okay. So the bezel is clean now. Just need to clean up the dust now. I'll be right back. So yeah, now I need to put the screws back. So let's begin. Okay, now I need to figure out the screen and all the adhesives. So let me pull out the photo. And yeah, I think I'm missing a corner, but it's probably okay. Yeah, so the actual adhesive part is this little black part. So I need to put it on the edge here. Okay, this will be complicated. Okay, so now it's time to reattach the screen. I had all the adhesive parts, except the one I'm missing. I don't know, I fixed it. Just didn't send me that one. So let me just attach this one, hopefully. Yeah, so I think now I attach this thing. So I need to attach this metal thing and put the screws on. Real awkward. For one hand. Okay, I got one screw on, so the other one should be easier. Sort of. And put this little electrical tape on there. Okay, before putting the glue on, let's see if it still runs. Yay! We have Google. Now I need to figure out how to put the screen on. So I have like these little tabs. I guess that I need to remove and then just glue it in. Yep, so let's do that. I'll just prop the screen like this and remove these tabs one by one. Yeah, let's just prop the screen like this and remove the tabs one by one. Yeah, so I'm just gonna align the bottom part first, I hope. And then the rest. Yeah, probably just need to remove the glue, the adhesive, and just put my own custom one, since the one from iFixit is pretty bad. But the important thing, do I still have that message? So no, it looks like now I don't have the battery issues anymore, so the battery is hopefully charging to full percent. But yeah, this was it. Now I need to follow this instruction and calibrate the battery. Just drain it to 10% and then charge it for 100%. So hope you enjoy and I'll see you in the next one.